Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Snapchat settings step by step clearly. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Log into your account if prompted. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Once on your profile page, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. Tap the gear icon to access the settings menu. Scroll down until you find the Account Actions section. In this section, you will see the option Clear Cache. Tap on Clear Cache to manage your cached data. A prompt will appear asking if you want to clear the cache. Confirm by tapping on Clear. Next, return to the Settings menu. Look for Manage Preferences within the settings. Tap on it to see various options related to your account. You can adjust notifications, privacy settings, and more. If you want to reset your privacy settings, tap on Who Can. From here, you can change who can contact you and view your stories. To reset your Bitmoji, go back to the profile page. Tap on your Bitmoji icon to access Bitmoji settings. Choose Unlink My Bitmoji if you wish to remove it. After that, you can reconnect or set up a new Bitmoji. Now, to change your display name, return to your profile. Tap on Edit Name to enter a new name as desired. Finally, verify all changes have been saved before exiting the settings. This completes the reset of your Snapchat settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.